Hi, I'm John Budd with the Oklahoma Department of Commerce. If you're watching this, there's a good chance you're thinking about expanding or relocating your business to Oklahoma. Let me be the first to say, great call. Oklahoma is one of the most pro-business states in the country. We've got some of the nation's most flexible, stackable incentives, and they're especially powerful when paired with the lowest cost of doing business in the U.S. In this video, I'm going to walk you through just a few of Oklahoma's 80-plus business incentives and tax credits, all designed to give your company the freedom to do business your way. Let's start with the big one, jobs. In Oklahoma, when you pay people well, the state gives you a cash rebate. Our flagship program, Quality Jobs, offers up to 5% cash back on new payroll, paid quarterly for 10 years. Companies that hire veterans can earn an even higher net benefit rate, up to 6%. To qualify, you'll need to hit $2.5 million in new annual payroll within 3 years, offer basic health insurance, and pay the average county wage in your area, or right around $42,000, whichever is lower. If you're a smaller outfit, 500 employees or less, the small employer version gives you the same 5% back, but over 7 years. And depending on where you do business, you could qualify with as few as 5 hires. Now, if you're hiring a high-tech, high-wage talent, think engineers, R&D specialists, folks with niche expertise, the 21st Century Quality Jobs program is for you. Add just 10 full-time jobs with top-tier wages, and the state could pay you back up to 10% of their new payroll every quarter for 10 years. That's money back in your business just for building a strong team on Oklahoma soil. Now, let's say you're a manufacturer making a move. You invest at least $50,000, maybe it's a new facility or high-tech equipment, and you're adding new jobs. Oklahoma can help your dollar go even further with the Investment New Jobs Tax Credit Package. You'll get a 5-year tax credit based on either 1% of your capital investment or $500 per new job created in manufacturing, processing, or aircraft maintenance. And if you're in an enterprise zone, or investing more than $40 million, that credit doubles. As you can see, it pays to create jobs in Oklahoma. Now let's look at incentives built specifically to encourage new capital investment. The Business Expansion Incentive Program is for you if you're looking to invest in new machinery, buildings, or equipment. BEIP offers annual cash payments based on how much you invest in depreciable items, helping lower project costs, boost ROI, and free up room to do more. To qualify, companies typically need to invest at least $2 million and already have $2 million or more in annual payroll on the books. If rail access is mission critical for your business, Oklahoma's got you covered there too. The Strategic Industrial Development Enhancement Act, or SIDE, offers tax breaks for 2 types of projects built in rural industrial parks. First, economic development costs, like land improvement or building construction. Qualified businesses can get up to 10% back, capped at $6 million. Second, rail infrastructure costs, like acquisition of right-of-way, engineering, or construction of new track. These earn a 50% credit up to $3 million. Then, there's the 5-year ad valorem tax exemption. Put up a new facility or expand at an existing one and skip your local property taxes for 5 years. This incentive applies to manufacturers, warehouses, data centers, R&D labs, refineries, and aircraft repair shops. A clean, simple lift for your bottom line. Oklahoma also offers an abundance of federally designated zones that are ripe for investment. And if you invest in those areas, you'll earn a 39% federal tax credit through the New Markets Tax Credit Program. Most of these zones are in rural or low-income urban areas. So you're not just building your business, you're also pouring capital into communities that need it most. That's a win-win with a tax benefit on top. As a side note, over 2/3 of Oklahoma is considered a hub zone. For more details on incentive zones and available properties, go to locateok.com. Turning our attention to people, let's talk workforce incentives. Along with one of the best technical training systems in the country, Oklahoma offers some of the most generous tax credits for your team. If you're bringing engineering brains into Oklahoma, it pays big during tax season. Through Oklahoma's Aerospace Engineer Tax Credit Program, aerospace companies gain a tax credit of up to $12,500 annually for 5 years. The credit is 10% for hiring ABET accredited Oklahoma graduates and 5% for out-of-staters. Special rules apply. Even better, your employee also benefits. They can be reimbursed up to half of their tuition and claim up to $5,000 in tax credits every year for 5 years. It's a true talent magnet. Oklahoma also rewards your codemasters. The Software and Cybersecurity Workforce Tax Credit provides up to $2,200 per year for college grads or $1,800 for certified pros. And those credits last for up to 7 years, giving you an extra benefit to offer the cream of the crop. Need workers with a specific skill set? We've got you covered there too. Our nationally acclaimed Training for Industry program, or TIP, creates a customized skills training pipeline just for you at little or no cost to you. Delivered through Oklahoma's career tech system, your team will train at one of 63 campuses statewide, so your new hire shows up on day one already ready to roll. This has been just a sample platter of what's on the table here in Oklahoma. I know it's a lot to chew on, but no sweat. The Oklahoma team is here to walk you through your options and make sure your investment is rooted where it can really grow, right here in Oklahoma. For more information on Oklahoma's full suite of incentives and tax programs, be sure to visit okcommerce.gov/site selection. Until then, good luck in your ventures.